Hello everyone, I hope you guys going well and welcome to our channel Think Digital. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add a Google Doc in your Notion. So in first step, open your Google Doc and from here select the document that you want to add and here you can see this share option. Tap on this option and in here you can see this access. I have already give the access, so if you don't give the access, you need to give the access, and once you're done, copy the link and now open your Notion and go to the page where you add this Google Doc and here embed the link. Give a command by slash and embed and that's it. You are done. Or you can do another thing. You can just simply paste the link and you can give it a URL or embed. So whenever you will just tap on this option, it will take you to see the whole document. And that's it. We're done here. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video found you helpful. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any confusion and keep in touch with us.